So today I'm going to show you how to clean your hiking boots. I am cleaning my Obos Sipes hiking boots, and I'll be using Nick Wax footwear cleaning gel and Nick Wax waterproofing spray. So I'm going to give you some step-by-step instructions so you can clean your own hiking boots. So the first step is to go outside, you remove the laces. I had to use a butter knife to get some of the cake debris out of the lugs because it was really dried in there. And then once I did that, I take this brush. You want something with semi-firm bristles, and I use it to get I've already done this outside, but get all of the leftover dirt and debris off of the shoes. The next step is to wet the shoes. So I'm just doing this in my kitchen sink. I also want to take the soles out, and I want to rinse those off and get some of the grime off those. The next step is to take the Nick Wax footwear cleaning gel, and it comes with an applicator built in, so all you have to do is push down and scrub. So after you're done sudsing up, then you rinse off the shoes. So once you're done scrubbing the shoes and you rinse them off and they're still damp, the next step is to apply the waterproofing. So this is Nick Wax Nubuck and Suede Proof Waterproof Spray. Depending on the material of your shoes, you may need a different type. So they also have one that's made for leather and fabric shoes. So it's very easy to apply. All you have to do is you want to be about 6 inches away from the shoe. And you spray it all over. Once you've applied the waterproof spray, you're going to wait for 2 minutes, and then you're going to wipe off the excess with a microfiber towel. So the final step is to just let the shoes air dry. It can take anywhere from 4 to 24 hours depending on the climate you live and how dry it is. You're going to want to avoid putting them next to a heater or blow drying them. That can damage the leather and can also melt the soles if it's hot enough. Once they're dry, you'll put your insoles back in, you'll put your laces back in, and then you'll be ready to go. If you want step-by-step instructions for how to clean your hiking shoes, you can visit my blog. I put the link down in the caption, and it goes through the whole process with links to all these products and photos, so you can refer to it later. Thanks for watching, and for more outdoor tips, visit barefoottheory.com. Bye!